Ciao!
Start by removing the passenger side splash shield. It's likely these 10mm bolts are rusty, so spray them with penetrating spray and be gentle. The crankshaft position sensor is next to the oil filter. Remove the 10mm bolt holding the sensor in. Follow the sensor and undo this plastic clip. It's easier to reach and undo the sensor connector at the harness from the top of the engine bay. Once the connector is unlatched, you can disconnect it from underneath the car. There's one more plastic clip. Then you can start feeding the connector down towards the sensor. Pay attention to how it's weaved in there so you can weave the new one back in. I used a small pry bar to release the seal on the sensor. Always compare your old parts to your new parts. Feed the new sensor connector up through the bottom. Reconnect the two plastic clips. Torque the 10mm bolt to hand tight or 5 to 7 foot-pounds. Then put the splash shield back on and test operation by starting the car.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.